Crazy times, and that's the truth. Boss machine held a big surprise for all the pets got trapped inside. All of them got supervised. What's P-Town gonna do? Some of the pets got super too. Watch out, she's coming through.
At the P-Town Museum, where today the spectacular crown of Queen Bling Bling goes on display.
Sparkly.
Chief Delaney, is this world-famous treasure safe in P-Town?
Absolutely, Sarah. I'd stake my job on it. The Gravitron system is unbeatable.
So, just how good is this Gravitron? Earlier, I spoke to P-Town's famous master thief, the fabulous Jonathan, who is currently behind bars at the P-Town Penitentiary.
Hi, Sarah. Loving that outfit. Welcome to my fabulous cell. Yes, the Gravitron system is absolutely unbeatable. I mean, I'm a fabulous thief, and I couldn't get past it. Who else could acquire that crown? Mother Goose? Please! Ha ha ha! She's not smart enough. She'll be at home right now on her tushy, filling her face with chocolates. Not smart enough? Me? How dare he? To the duck-copter!
So, the crown is safe even from Mother Goose. Back to the studio.
Oh boy, I see trouble ahead. Wakey, wakey, Bingo!
These P243 rollerblades need a bit of fine-tuning.
Come on, Dodge. Bingo, we gotta go. Boys, the goose just got slammed, and I bet my perfect fur she's not gonna take it lying down.
Superization is go, go, go.
We've successfully gotten in, as I knew we would. I am a criminal genius, after all, despite what some peacocks say. We are having a little trouble with these lasers, though. What to try next? Norman! Oh,
Yes, Mom.
be a dear and throw Wilbur at that crown for
You won't get away with this, you feathery fiend!
Yeah. Why don't you come over here and say that?
Just you try and stop me!
Morning.
Sheba!
Huh? Oh boy.
I was gonna say, watch out for that big robotic thingamadoodle dump and flump. Only the furball left. You're doomed. That crown will look divine over my head as I preside over Gooseland! Give it up, guinea pig! You're outnumbered!
Well, shoulder up. You could do this, champ. I believe in you. Stick a move, Bob. I weave strawberries and ice cream.
Ice cream? Speaking of food...
Got it! Missed!
I wasn't aiming at you, Goosey.
A sandwich! Trapped! A sandwich!
Bravo!
Oh! I make an entrance, or can I make an entrance? Well done! You all followed my plan perfectly. The Gravitron has its hands full, literally.
You're supposed to be in jail!
That's the thing about being a master thief. As well as being really good at breaking into places, I can also break out. I knew you'd be easy to rile, Goosey.
I'll get you for this, pea-brain!
Oh, sticks and stones will break my bones, but in this crown, I'll look fabulous.
Wow, that's some serious blingage. I love it.
Well, you've all been super fun, but I've got to get back to jail before someone misses me. Toodles! See ya! Wanna be ya!
Whoa! My duckcopter! Which one of you idiot ducks left the keys in the ignition? He's getting away!
Not yet, he hasn't.
The crown!
Right, you guys are all for it. There's a button here that'll dump all of you into a big cage. And that was apparently not it.
Cat Squad to the rescue!
Oh, yes. You are fabulous.
Hand that over, Jonathan.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yeah.
Who's flying this thing?
Huh?
Wait a minute. I don't know how to fly this thing.
You'll never catch me, pussy. We're in the air. I'm a birdie. Hello. I may not be able to fly, but I can glide. Toodles!
9 lives! I need you!
Oh, bouncy.
Cats always land on their feet. Cats always land on their feet.
Hey, kitty, need a ride?
Nice one, boys. Now let's bag ourselves a birdie.
I am so beautiful to me.
No villainous gets Pet Squad!
Well, not twice anyway.
You got me, big boy. Just tell me one thing. I do look fabulous in this crown, don't I? I'm the worst belly in the world.
Let's go the weather race.
Probably not a good idea. Come here, have a dusty cuddle.